This is a peach tree orchard this time. I want you to notice the background, and I'm at a lot higher elevation. The reason being is elevation to a certain extent will give you some frost protection and cold protection in the winter. The reason in Brigham City and Willard and down here in Santa Quin, Spring Lake, Payson area, you see a lot of orchards on mountainsides at the lower portion of the mountain is that warm air rises. And this is important in the winter because that warm air, as it rises in these orchards, this point right here can be 10 degrees warmer in January or February or March than the valley floor, which I'm probably 500 to 700 feet above the valley floor of Santa Quin. And so peaches are super susceptible to that frost and need to be protected, and that's why you don't find a lot of peach orchards in the valley floor, but you find more apples and tart cherries because those are more tolerant of colder weather than peaches. And so in this peach orchard, I was going to measure really quickly the tree spacing and the row spacing just to give an idea of what the growers are doing. So the tree spacing, or the row spacing, is around 14 feet, which is fairly standard, between 14 and 18 feet, depending on the particular trees. Now let's go ahead and measure between trees. These particular peaches are planted on 8-foot centers, but again, this is a commercial orchard. They're pruning them quite extensively, and it's something that I wouldn't do as a homeowner. On your peaches, that 18-foot row center would probably be a little better, with about 15 to 18 feet between trees, just to give you a little bit more room. Now, these trees are pruned on an open center system like the tart cherries, but they're pruned a lot more extensively. Now it's the middle of November and it's the absolute wrong time of year to be pruning these, and so I'm not. But I'll put some more pictures in, but you can see this open center system. Now one thing I want you to notice is that they have left a lot of branching all the way down. And one mistake homeowners often make are pruning all these branches off out to here. And then what will happen is you get your fruit load up here because all the branches are gone, and that branch bends over, and it's just like a helicopter wing or an umbrella, but after a number of years, that branch will snap. And this pruning system, the branches are in a little bit higher angle than what most homeowners do, and they've left these branches that will be pruned back so that the fruit is really near that branch. And that branch will be a lot stronger. And as we saw that rope around the cherry trees a few minutes ago, they will do that to these peaches, and that rope around the branches, as these bend down, they will put equal pressure on that rope, and it will keep the tree balanced so it doesn't fall over, and it saves the branches hopefully from snapping.